Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's actually today Sunday, October the 5th, October the 6th, 2024 is today, October the 6th, and I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. It's binary time, and this one will be number 9391. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And double O's, here 1, there 1. Got double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Exactly 3 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Without comparing. And if you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle for this afternoon, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.